Today is Thursday, June 16th. It is important that you actually fold this flap down. So, the top point will be folded down for this plane. This plane is Space Orbiter by Kyung Chu.
I don't need.
Don't fold it in half right here. Instead, you should actually fold along line 8 first, and then fold it up until line 5.
So you should choose
and then you should fold
I
it up.
should choose this. 45.
Cut along 3.
Okay, that's actually right. So I actually do 3 instead.
Repeat the same thing, but
And
with
then I'll
lines
do
4 and
2.
8. Except you don't have to cut on the other side.
I'll not do 2. I'll actually do this. They'll still count.
Because you actually should be folding it in half while you cut this, so that you don't have to cut. You shouldn't have to cut it again.
37. No, maybe 33.
Fold it up.
And go fold like this. And then move down.
Yes,
No.
this thing is weird.
Then
And
move
fold
to
along the
here.
flap, along line 7. And fold it up. Glue right here, or double-side tape right here if you want. I'll not be demonstrating the taping in this video, but you know how it works. You just put the tape right here. So it just sticks like right here on. And yes, this is a different color from the actual NASA Space Orbiter. But this is the plane for Thursday, June 16th. Bye.